Hello, all the students of Standard 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in math and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I will upload some homework, okay? In math, for second term, might I will upload chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many students who did not got the book, maybe they have not done chapter 1 to 5. So might be I will upload today chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All question I will upload, not solution, because already examples some I have explained in online classes. So you just go there and check all the online classes. So today I am going to teach you math. Chapter 12 geometry is going on. Okay. So today I am going to start types of triangle with respect to angles. Okay. Types of triangle with respect to angle. So first is acute angle triangle. First is acute angle triangle. Okay. So acute angle triangle. So a triangle whose all three angles are acute is called an acute angle triangle. Okay. Acute angle triangle means to say A, B, C. Because right now I don't have compass and protractor, so I'm not able to draw the correct. So a triangle whose all angles are acute is called an acute angle triangle. Now all angle acute means to say a angle means whose measure is less than what? 90 degree. And you should know the sum of a triangle must be 180 degree. Okay. What acute angle triangle? A triangle whose all angles are acute. And what I have taught you about acute angle? A angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called acute angle triangle. And one more thing you need to know that a sum of a triangle should be what? 180 degree. Should be 180 degree. Okay, all three angles are acute. It means if this will be 60, this will be 60, and this will be 60. Then we can say yes, it is a acute angle triangle. Or when you see it, say yes, it is 45. Okay, 45. Like one more figure, I can tell you like this. Okay. So it can be 90, it can be 45, it can be 45, then you can say 45, 45, 90, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. You have to keep in your mind that a sum of our triangles should be 180 degree. Now next second is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So right angle triangle you can see A, B, C, 90 degree. So a triangle whose one angle is 90 degree, a triangle whose one angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Only one angle. Okay, only one angle. If it is 90 degree, then we can say this is right angle triangle. So this is also a right angle triangle, not acute angle triangle. Okay. For acute angle triangle, its all angles should be acute, and for right angle triangle, it's only one angle should be 90 degree. Then we can say yes, it is right angle triangle. Now I will go for obtuse angle. Now come to number 3, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Obtuse angle triangle means a triangle whose one angle is obtuse. Okay. It's called an obtuse angle triangle. Now obtuse angle means its measure is more than 90 and less than 180. Okay, so this is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, O 155 degree. You just measure it, and then we can this only one angle should be obtuse, and for obtuse it should be more than 90 and less than 180. Now I will move to types of triangle with respect to its sides. Types of triangle with respect to sides, page number 152. The first is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means a triangle all of whose sides are unequal. Means see, if this side, and this side, A, B, and C. Here you can say this AB and BC and AC are not equal to each other. Okay, so I can write a triangle whose all of whose sides are unequal. It's called a scalene triangle. Okay, a triangle all of whose sides are unequal means AB will not equal to BC, BC will not equal to AC. That type of triangle will be called scalene triangle. Now come to number 2, isosceles triangle. ISOSCELES Okay. In this, having two of its sides congruent is called it means C. A, B, C. Means this side equal to this side. Okay, means AB is equal to AC. On any side, this side will equal to this side. So triangle having two of its sides congruent. Congruent means equal. It's called an what? Isosceles triangle. It is not that if BC is equal to AC can be and AB is equal to BC. Only two sides should be equal. Then we can say yes, it is isosceles and only two sides should be equal. Now in lecture number 2, I will go for equilateral triangle.